you play cars with me? Will you be the garage?
Well, I'll watch you play till your mommy and daddy come home.
Okay.
Buenas noches.
Mommy, Daddy!
Oh.
Hey, Michaela.
Sorry we're late. My bus broke down.
And the restaurant was really busy tonight.
What's for dinner?
Well, since tonight is my last night before I go home tomorrow, I want to make my favorite meal.
Meatloaf!
That's right, meatloaf.
But Grandma, I don't want you to go.
Oh, baby, I'll be back again. I'll come and visit again at Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
But first, I need your help to make the meal.
Grandma, I can help make the meatloaf?
Of course you can.
Okay. Daddy, can I wear your chef's hat?
Oh, of course. Yeah, here we go. Okay. So, if you wouldn't mind grabbing, we'll stick it down there. Así está bien?
Super Chef Helper Michaela to the rescue!
To the rescue! Oh,
Right.
first, we need to wash our hands.
Ah, good idea.
So everybody, first, we turn on the water, soap, 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 wash, 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 rinse, 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 grab a towel, and dry, and throw it in the trash. One more time.
Sure, let's do it.
Turn on the water, soap, 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 wash, 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 rinse, 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 dry, and throw it in the trash.
All clean.
Oh, clean. Now, to make our dinner, we need to put the ingredients together. Say ingredients with us.
Ingredients.
Now, ingredients is foods that we put together to make our meal. Now, our first ingredient is 4 pounds of ground beef.
Ooh. Ground beef.
Ground beef.
Ground beef. Whoa, this is heavy.
Michaela, you're so strong. Thank you. Now, our next ingredient is 3 eggs.
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 Michaela is very careful with the eggs because they're fragile. That means they break easily.
Thank you.
Grandma, can I help you count the eggs?
Yes, please.
Everyone, count the eggs with me.
1,
2, 3. 3 eggs.
Now, our next ingredient is salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Now, everyone, get your salt shakers out and help us count 2 shakes of salt. Ready? 1, 2. Now, get your pepper shaker out and help us count 5 shakes of pepper. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, I'm going to put in 1 cup of breadcrumbs that I measured earlier today. Now it's time to mix all of our ingredients together, and we're going to need your help. Now get your mixing fingers ready, and we're going to mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix the meatloaf. Mix the meatloaf. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Mix the meatloaf. Mix the meatloaf. Okay, our meatloaf is nice and mixed. But first, before we bake it, we need to put my secret ingredient on top. Ketchup. 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 Ketchup! Shh. It's a secret. Ketchup. Ketchup.
Ooh, that
that looks delicious. And a little bit of hot sauce. Now we're going to bake our meatloaf for 45 minutes in the oven. Say oven with us.
Oven! Bake, bake, bake. Bake, bake, bake. Bake the meatloaf.
Ooh, hot.
Bake the meatloaf. Bake, bake, bake. Bake, bake, bake. Bake the meatloaf. Bake the meatloaf.